Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. A little short video on some hotkeys, shortcut keys. A lot of people might not realize still that as any key on your keyboard is a hotkey or can be. These are Corels. As long as you're not in text mode. If you're in text mode and you hit the C, you get a C. But if you're not in text mode, it becomes a hotkey. So these lines are separately they're not the same distance apart and they're not equal. And we'll kind of prove this by, let's bring in an indexing line, because this is going to make these lines equal between these two lines. So first of all, I'm going to select it. I'm going to hit the letter C, and that aligns them horizontally. And then I'm going to shift C, and it spread them out equally. You can do the same thing, go into object and align and distribute, and there's your C for align horizontally, but it doesn't show the shift C. Anyway, little short video. Hope that interests you, and thank you for watching.